Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by taking care of yourselves by staying at home. I am Sabira and today we are going to learn a very interesting and easy topic of grammar, and that is conjunctions. Conjunction is one of the parts of speech, and you know very well how many parts of speech are there? Yes, there are 9 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and article. As you have done this concept before, so we will quickly revise it. First of all, let's see the definition of conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases, or clauses. They are also called connectors, which connect or join words or sentences. Today we are going to learn more about the 4 main conjunctions, and they are and, or, but, because. Let's talk about the very first conjunction, that is and. And is Mr. Matchmaker. It matches or connects the words or sentences with same or similar ideas. For example, the weather is always sunny, hot in summer in Turkey. Let's see both the ideas in the sentence. Sunny, hot. They both are the same ideas, so we are going to connect these ideas by using conjunction and. Let's read it. The weather is always sunny and hot in summer in Turkey. See the second example. Jane likes apples. Jane likes mangoes. So there are same ideas of liking apples as well as mangoes. So we are going to connect these both sentences by using conjunction and. Jane likes apples and mangoes. The second conjunction is or. Or is Mr. Choice. As you can see the name Mr. Choice, so this conjunction is used when we have choices or options. For example, students, it will be cloudy, sunny tomorrow. So there are options or choices in the sentence, that cloudy, sunny. So when we have choices or options, we use conjunction or. Read the sentence again. It will be cloudy or sunny tomorrow. Read the next example. Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have coffee? So again, we have options or choices in both the sentences. So we are going to join these two sentences by using conjunction or. Would you like to have tea or coffee? The next conjunction is but. But is the king conflict. It connects contrasting or different ideas. It means one idea is negating the other one. So we can simply say when we have opposite ideas or different ideas, we can use conjunction but. For example, students, Linda went to the market. She forgot to buy fruits. So, there are two different ideas that she went to the market. She forgot to buy something from there. So, there are contrasting ideas. So, we are going to connect these two parts by using conjunction but. Read it again. Linda went to the market, but she forgot to buy fruits. Read the second example. Jane likes apples. She does not like oranges. So how we are going to connect these two different ideas? The first part, the first sentence is having the positive liking and the second sentence is negating the first sentence. So we will use conjunction but. Jane likes apples but she does not like oranges. The last conjunction is because. Because is the cause queen. Students, do you know the meaning of cause? Cause means reason. So it means when we have to show reason in the sentence, then we will use conjunction because. For example, I was late. My car didn't start. So I was late. Why I was late? There is a reason in the second part of the sentence. So we will join these two parts by using the cause queen because. I was late because my car didn't start. Now see the second example. Sarah goes to tennis club. She likes to play tennis. Sarah goes to tennis club. Why she goes to tennis club? There is a reason in the second sentence. She likes to play tennis. So we will join these two sentences by using conjunction because. Sarah goes to tennis club because she likes to play tennis. So students, are you clear with the four conjunctions we have done today and their proper use? Yes, keep practicing them and use these conjunctions in your daily life. In the second video, we will solve the worksheets from the worksheet book. Goodbye.